This is gonna be the world's fastest get ready with me video. I am working with a couple other leaders here in Arizona to put together a training tonight. So I've got to zoom off to school to pick up the kids or run a couple errands and then head off to the training. So I could not show you these SHADOWSENSE colors before I left though. So these are the brand new Cafe Collection of SHADOWSENSE. They're so gorgeous, they fit so beautifully together, and I have them swatched right here. So this is Americano, this is Cinnamon Shimmer, and this is the French Roast. So they're so pretty, and this shimmer on this one is insane. So I put my face together so that I could just jump in and show you these in action. And before I forget, on my lips, I have one Golden Orchid, one Mirage, one Golden Orchid. So I just sandwiched that one between, and then I put on Desert Topaz Gloss, which I don't know where it is, somewhere around here. Here it is. On top, these are all in stock. So if you wanted to get this lip look, you just need these 3 items. And look how cute this bag is that comes with the trio of SHADOWSENSE. I think I might have one left in stock. I ordered a couple extra, but they're like all gone. So if you wanted to order this, it's $66, and let's get down to business. The lightest color of the trio is Americano, so that's what I'm gonna be using for my transition color. I have Candlelight on my entire lid and Rustic Brown in my brows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that right into my corner, and I'm gonna start doing some small circles to blend this guy out. I'm gonna be blending this up towards my brow bone, almost to the tippy top, but I'm gonna leave a little bit of space out there for that transition. I'm sorry, not the transition, the highlight. Oh my gosh, you guys, these blend. I hardly had to do any blending. Look how beautifully these are blending out. Holy smokes. I love that with every single new limited edition release, the formula of SHADOWSENSE just keeps getting better and better. Okay, I'm gonna love this mixed with red. I love a beautiful burnt red, burnt orange shadow, and I feel like we haven't quite gotten that one yet. So I think that this is gonna be just perfection mixed with red SHADOWSENSE. And I'm just gonna smudge some of that on my lower lash line to create a bit of smokiness. So there is that transition of Americano. It's gonna be way more warm than Mocha Java. Mocha Java is gonna be a lot more cool. So for my warm tone girls, this will be a fantastic transition color, or you could even, like I say usually, stop right there and call it a day, but we're gonna go go big or go home. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Look at how that makes my blue eyes pop, because it has that like more orange tone to it, that warmer tone. These are so good. So it's on both eyes now. We're gonna take French Roast, which is the darker one. It's this beautiful matte burgundy, which again, I have been dying for. I love a deep burgundy. I love purple, but like burgundy is where it's at for me and my skin tone and my eye color. So I'm gonna place that right on the outer edge, and we're gonna go with that darkest color just on the outer corner. And I'm just doing these small little circles. And once I feel like I have enough product placed on my brow, or not on my brow, my eyelid, I kind of wipe it off. And then I'm just gonna go in and really soften up that transition instead of putting more product on. Holy smokes, you guys. I can't even handle it. These are so pretty. Okay, we need to all, if you're a distributor, please make sure that you sell these out so that they become permanent, because I never want them to go away. So I just put that on the outer corner on the bottom. I'm obsessed. So good. I'm gonna throw the other eye on real quick. If you are new here, I'm gonna let you in on my secret weapon, and that is the outer corner cleanup. So I threw a little bit I'm trying to go so fast that I can't even speak words. A little bit of Candlelight on a flat, kind of like packing brush. And I'm just going to kind of clean up that outer edge and lower line. And I'm gonna take kind of a fluffier brush now that I really got in on that corner really nice and sharp. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. So you can see this is like a mess and this is pulled together. That is the goal, to look pulled together even when we ain't. So place that and then blend it on out. And now we've got these beautiful, nice, sharp wings. And you just want to make sure they're even. See how this one pulls up just a little bit higher than this one? So I'm just gonna adjust. That's what life is about, right? Making adjustments to the plan. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Cinnamon Shimmer. And I think I might just kind of reiterate my little path right here with some candlelight since I have some out. And I'm just kind of cleaning out any of that darkness and creating a nice bright space for that cinnamon shimmer to live. See how I created that highlight and I don't have it there? Just take a little bit of candlelight, or you could do it with sandstone pearl if that is your jam, and it just cuts that out. So I'm gonna go in with cinnamon shimmer and we're gonna place that right in that area that we just created. So it's gonna give it a beautiful, it's gonna be a highlight because it's a shimmer, but it's not gonna be super bright and dramatic like if I put on a white or something like that. So it's gonna be this really beautiful shimmer that matches gorgeous with those other browns that we put on. So there we go. Look how pretty that is. Same thing on the other side. We just pack that on. This is such a flattering angle. Okay, so here's a look at that. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of sandstone pearl shimmer into the inner corner. And then I'm gonna put a little bit up at the arch of the brow, right underneath. And then off camera, I'm gonna throw on some eyeliner and mascara and come back and show you our complete project. I just need to go on record and say that this is hands down the best ShadowSense collection that SeneGence has ever released in the history of life. Everybody needs to have this collection. Comes in 3 colors. Here they are. It is just mind-blowing how beautifully they just blend together. The color palette is absolute perfection. I think that I could just die happy only having these colors along with like candlelight, of course. But I mean, look how gorgeous these are together. So if you don't have this yet, you need to stop sleeping on it because it is like, it's gonna be gone fast. And it's limited edition and comes in this cute bag for $66, and you could wear it every single day for every occasion. So just swipe up and message me if you need to get it. But like, I cannot wait to see everybody's looks with this. So send me pictures if you use your ShadowSense once I send them out to you. So I'm gonna run. I'll show you some behind the scenes of our training we have going on tonight, and I'll talk to you guys soon.